Can you say June?
June?
Say, I love you, June. Are you reading a book? Can you say book?
Bush?
No, book. Can you say happy?
Button.
Can you say monkey?
Button.
Button. Where's your button?
Button.
Show me. Where's your button? Where's your belly button? That's pretty. Okay, pull your shirt down. What's your shirt say? Sassy? Huh. Can you say June?
June?
Aunt Corey's gonna have a baby named June. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Say love you.
Then
Ring, ring. Who's on the phone? Say hello. Say hello.
hello.
Okay, can you wave bye-bye? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.